Lesson 16, Margin Call and Stop Out Concepts. In this lesson, when our open positions loss increases continuously, we will show you the controls made and steps taken by the broker firm. When you open a Forex account, you risk the amount that you invest, and this amount will be your free margin. You can make bigger investments with the amount of margin, but if your margin falls beyond a limit, you cannot maintain the position. Broker firms check the investor's equities and take the necessary steps before the equity falls down to zero. These controls are made by margin call and stop out concepts. Let's try to understand these concepts. Broker firms checks the account with margin level parameters. It's very easy to calculate this parameter. It is the ratio of your equity value to use margin. Let's explain this by an example. As you see, we have $100 in our account. Now we open a position by using the 1/10 of it. Use margin is now $10. Equity value is more or less the same as we just opened the position, and hence the profit loss value is small. Equity value increases as we are in profit, while it decreases when the position is in loss. If we divide the equity by use margin, the result is approximately 9.86, which is 986.8%. This is our margin level and is displayed in here. You can check your margin level instantly from this field. Now let's compare the value with margin call and stop put values. These values may differ across broker firms. Because we use metatrader as broker, we will continue by using its values. But this platform's values also may change after we publish the video courses. You can get the more accurate values from customer services of metatrader. The first warning will be margin call notification when we start to be in loss. Now the margin call notification is 100% in metatrader. Our open position margin level is 989%, so we will get a margin call notification after this level goes down to 100% level. That is when our equity goes down to our margin level. Margin call is just a notification without an action taken by the firm. This means your margin is going down. If you want to sustain your positions are open, it is needed to deposit more into the account. The balance row is turned into red like this. You will realize that you got a margin call notification. You can also receive a mail or phone call additionally. The call is made by a customer service agent. The margin call notification does not affect your open accounts. After the margin call notification is you to continue to make loss and not to deposit more, the next step is stop out. If stop out is executed, your open positions are closed by the broker firm and will not be able to maintain your positions. The stop out level in metatrader is 10%. This means that the maximum level allowed in the equity drop is 1/10 of your used margin. If our equity shown here drops to $989, which is 1/10 of our used margin, we will be stopped out. In this case, the position will be closed. Of course, the left balance is ours. We can open a smaller position and withdraw our money from the account. The smaller position openings relative to your balance, the higher your margin level becomes. By this way, the chance of being stopped out will be smaller. Hence, you can have more investment opportunities. Let's move on to the next lesson.